I love you so much, my blueberry muffin. I love you too, my Popeye's biscuit with no drink. Nah, Jit, tripping. Bro, ain't no way. Can you do that cute thing you did for me earlier? You mean this? Ow! Oh, you're so hot when you do that. Bro, can y'all take y'all weird ass somewhere else? Y'all been doing this for 2 hours now. Babe, you're gonna let him talk to us like that? Get away from us. Bro, I'm not scared of you, bro. I'm just saying, y'all keep doing that weird stuff, bro. Like, y'all can't take that somewhere. Get away from us. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't know what you're doing with your hands, but I don't want no parts of that, okay? But hey, y'all keep doing you, okay? Do you. Nah, Jit weird as hell. I'm gonna leave their ass alone. That's crazy.